So may nag-send sa akin ng video na to guys. This is about the personal life of Vinditos Elegantes. And to be honest guys, wala naman talaga akong pake dito sa personal life niya. Kasi ang inatake ko lang naman sa kanya is the DNA unlock, yung spiritual side. Yun lang yung pake ko. Like wala akong pakialam sa personal life niya guys. Pero since may nagtag sa akin dito sa video na to, I feel like I have the responsibility to let you guys know who really is Vinditos Elegantes. This is just for for awareness, guys. Kasi may mga iba pa rin dito na hindi nakaka-discern ng maayos. So, I feel like this is an opportunity for everyone, diba? To have a different perspective. So, anyway, ito yung full video, guys. Screen record ko lang siya kasi hindi siya ma-download. So, ito. Pagpasensya nyo ng quality, if gusto nyo ng better quality, check nyo lang yung actual post ni Satanic Justice.
Kasi ngayon, meron ngayon nag-expose sa mga maskara ninyo para pagkapirahan nyo lang mga tao.
Vinditos Elegantes, nasa buwisyo ka ba? Bakit kakalimutan mo? Maraming may galit sa'yo. Ang kalangyarang ang buhay mo, umuhi mayaman. Pero ikaw ba talaga ang may sariling silap dyan? Kung ninakawan ka ng buhay mo sa patingin mo, okay mong gagamit mo. Pero bakit mas bakit mo pa ang aso mo kesa sa mga tunay na anak mo? Wala ka na sa ulo, Vinditos Elegantes. Nagbibenta ka pa naman din ng DNA unlock na spiritual awakening daw. Pero sumatil pa rin. Sa bagay, di na naman nagagana ng ito silang ughali-halang tinasabayan. Hanggang ngayon, full-timer ka pa din na inabo.
Alam nyo yung mga naluloko lang na mga to, yung mga tipong wala silang kaabilidad para malaman kung ano yung totoo nila na authority. Itong mga to, nagli-leech sila sa inyo. Kasi sila, nililito nila yung utak ninyo. Ito yung mga papakinggan ninyo na mga walang paalam-alam sa buhay.
Ang yabang-yabang mo, sabi mo, lahat kami simulated choices lang for you. Kasi ikaw ang sistemahan ni Matrix sa anong kalukuhan yan, Vinditos. Ipunggal mo na ikaw ang source consciousness, bakit hanggang ngayon wala kang kontrol sa buhay mo?
How can you play that holiness if everything in your existence is a lie?
Bakit hindi mo napigilan ito? Itong pagkalat ng tulong pagkatao. At oo, taaro ka ng Vinditos, hindi ka Diyos.
Ang yabang ninyo, akala ninyo naman mga totoo, mga enlightened pa mga gaga. Kayo yung mag-focus kayo sa panluloko ninyo kasi ngayon merong nag-expose sa inyo, mga kulto kayo.
Igilan mo yung mga panluloko mo pagparilog ka sa Panginoon. Aminin mo lahat ng mga kasalanan mo. At nagpasako kay Kristo habang may buhay ka ba? Wala mong kapupuntaan lang ng kayamanan na mukhang sa panluloko at pang-aabuso kundi sa puti mo. Tandaan yung mga kapatid na susulatin sa Biblia sa Mateo Kapitulo 19, versikulo 24. Muling sinasabi ko sa inyo, magaan pa ang isang kaliliwan na tuman sa ulos ng karayong. Kaysa siyang may angay na pumasok sa kaharian ng Diyos. Kaya sa mga nanonood dito, huwag niyo tularan tumakas ang libo ng taong ito. Lalo na masisira ang buhay mo kung papalwala kayo dito.
So, ayun guys, diba kung mapapansin nyo, grabe no, ang lala nang nangyari sa life niya. And actually, mas nagkaroon nga ako ng better understanding dito kay Vinditos eh. Kasi, kung isipin nyo no, talagang napaka-evil. Sabihin natin evil or parang grabeng mang-corrupt yung mismong Matrix. Kasi guys, if we're going to talk about our previous topics about free will na we didn't really choose the kind of life that we want, which is yung point din ng DNA unlock niya, na lahat ng nangyayari sa life natin basically started as a program. Like, we're all NPCs at first until we awaken. Like, bago tayo magising or until magising tayo. So, yun nangyari sa life niya, guys. It made her corrupted. Like, yun lang yung only way niya to survive na mapunta siya sa field ng sex work, ganyan. Or dahil nasa field siya na gano'n, mayroon siya mga ibang nagamit na ibang tao, like nag-two-timer siya or whatever, kasi that's the only way that she knows to survive. So, it makes sense to me now kung bakit gano'n yung format ng DNA unlock niya. Kasi, dun sa DNA unlock niya, guys, nakafocus lang talaga siya dun sa pag-remove ng trauma. Yung neuro-linguistic programming niya na pinapadelete niya sa mga clients niya yung trauma. Kasi para sa kanya, like, hindi mo kailangan i-work yon or what, kailangan you are a biological computer na you can take control of your own body, your system, na you can command yourself to delete all those unnecessary programs na hindi naman daw natin ginusto na na-program lang sa atin. May sense pa din, pero may iba kong point dito kasi, that spiritual bypassing, it won't last. It's a shortcut. So, minadali mo yung yung awakening mo, it won't last. Babalik at babalik yung trauma na yun, guys. Gaya ng ganitong situation ni Ventidos ngayon, may nag-reveal ng personal life niya. Baka may na-trigger siya ng mga tao from her past na hindi siya nagustuhan or what. Ayun, babalik at babalik yun. So, what are you going to do? Are you just going to do some neurolinguistic programming to forget that? What about the other people? What about the perspective of other people towards you? How are you going to survive again? Like, you can thrive. Your business can thrive. The DNA Lock business can thrive. You just have to be transparent of what you're offering. You no longer have to exploit other people. You can be honest of how it works. You don't have to trick them na may mag-a-unlock na DNA dyan na biological na magte-take effect na tumatangos yung ilong mo, gumaganda yung labi mo, yung hugis ng mukha mo, gumaganda kasi dahil sa DNA recalibration na magpa-DNA lock na sila para gumanda yung buhay nila. Hindi ganon. Please, please. I understand na it's your only way of surviving. Yung mga ganyan, yung pagbenta ng crystals, and I believe that you are helping other people. So, we can, like, let's coexist. You don't have to demonize other practices like the way that you're doing. You're going to other people's lives pala, TikTok lives. Tapos, you are saying that their practices isn't the right thing, that's Solomonic, that's very patriarchal, like whatever, girl. If it works, diba? That's the point. If you want your business to thrive, you let other people's lives thrive too. Alam mo yon, like, there's other ways. You have your AI. Akala ko ba ginagamit mo ng maayos yung AI? Explore. Systemize your business. AI na nga lang din yung ginagamit mo na may offer mo sa kanila, diba? Ask your AI how to market your business. Like, ano yung mga posts na pwede mong gawin? Ano yung mga, alam mo yon, explore the content creation side. Sinasayang mo yung 59,000 or almost 60k followers mo. There are many ways for you to earn. You don't have to trick other people. We can, alam mo yon, we can live through this. I understand you now. I understand the concept. It actually, it does help. Diba? Para sa mga tao na gusto ng spiritual bypassing, gusto ng shortcut. Maybe para to sa mga tao na hindi na nila kakayanin, like masisiraan na sila ng bait kapag hindi nawala yung trauma nila. Yung ganong klaseng tao yon, matutulungan mo sila. Pero those types of people who actually want to heal, diba? Yung long process of healing, do not demonize them if they're doing shadow work. If they're asking the cards or divination tools for help, for advice, for guidance, it's not hula-hula, it's not, alam mo yun, don't demonize any practices or every practices that you can find kasi it can help other people. Just like how your DNA unlock can help other people too. Now, it's up to you kung ano yung gagawin mo sa business mo. It's up to you if sisiraan mo pa din ako na kitang-kita ko naman ngayon, like napatunayan ko lang lalo yung mga discernment ko na most of what you're saying are actually just projections. You're the one telling me na ako yung pokpok, ako yung inanakan lang, like look at my life, like look at the house that I'm living in, whatever. Girl, it's up to you. I'm not bothered kasi it's not my life, it's not my reality. So guys, I guess this is the time for us to move on. Like, let's move on. Sagittarius blue moon has already passed. The effects of it is still active since it's kaka full moon lang. And actually may hinarvest nga akong blue moon water and yung dalawang soju dyan. So guys, let's strip away old identities. I no longer want to do any of the catalytic works. Like, I'm done with it. I'm just going with a big mission, tinatawag natin. Ayoko na mag-take ng mga side quest, tama na. Please. I hope it's the last. Kasi I also want to thrive, diba? Hindi tayo makaka-build ng tower if it's chaotic every time. There is going to be at some point in our life na we want to build that tower na, like, very stable na, like, hindi na siya magko-collapse agad-agad. Siguro kung mangyayari yun after some years, diba? And, guys, let's just enjoy the game. The game called life. Like, kasi alam nyo yon, kapag na deconstruct nyo na yung sarili nyong belief system. Like, yung belief system na kinreate nyo. Like, let's say, ako, nagpakaano ko sa catalyst, whatever. Kapag na-deconstruct nyo yun, guys, you will realize na we can all coexist. Yung tinatawag nilang omnism, na everything, every religion, every belief has a purpose. If they resonate with that, let's just live. Yung parang sa ano yung Buddhist na live and let live. Ewan ko guys, basta ayun, let's vibrate higher na. Like, we can combine the infernal and the divine. Like, be one. Maging buo na tayo.